Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quan Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. A lot of students await their HR interview and technical interview of Mindtree, and almost all of them are at the tip of their toes to get to know what are the type of questions asked. So, in today's class, I will be sharing all the HR interview questions as well as technical round questions which my students faced, so that this video will help you prepare better for the interview and your chance of getting selected will be more, because if you get selected, your life will be done. So why not invest 1 hour of my life to make you people get selected, to improve your chances of selection? So let us start. So this question was asked to one of my students. She's from EC department. The questions which were asked to her was, sir, they asked me about self description. Tell me about yourself in technical round. Now this question is a very important question. But more important than this is what? Before the first question is asked, when you switch on the camera, when you enter the interview, the way you look at them, the way you smile at them, the way you give eye contacts, the way you greet, you're creating an impression. See through that, you create the best possible impression. Look at the HRs in their eyes. How's it into the camera? Like how I am looking at you right now into the camera. Is it clear? All of you have a nice smiling face, talk with enthusiasm, filled with energy. Creates a positive impression. And then they ask you the first question. Tell me about yourself. A very, very, very important question. The moment you start to speak, you're creating an impression again. So when you start to explain about yourself, see to it that you give the best answer possible, because this question will make your interview or break your interview. So when you talk about yourself, you can tell your name. If he asks you, tell me about yourself, you start with your name. If he tells Himanshu, tell me about yourself, do not tell your name. It becomes redundant. Am I right? Tell me about yourself. You can start with your name, college, department, which you're from. End of the story over there. Then you talk about your project work and do not explain in detail about your project. Explain only how the project is different. What are the technologies used? How is it different from others? Create a mystery in that line. How is it different? Don't try to start talking about the working of it. He'll get bored. So my project is on this technology. We have used this technology. This is the principle, and this is how it is different. Let him uh, put a seed into his heart to ask more and more questions. Here also, do that. Then you can talk about your achievements, about your participations, and how different you are. You can talk about that. Directly, do not tell I am hardworking, I am motivated, I am interested. All this. Do not tell it things directly. You like a girl, you go directly tell her that you like her. Maximum chances that you get rejected. Try to do things in such a way that you indirectly try to let her know that your chances will be more. Same way in interview, do not directly tell the answers. Okay, you can tell something like, sir, I like to strike conversations with people. I like to give stage performances. Shows that you're confident. Shows that you do not have people fear. Okay, you can tell, sir, I like to explore places, which means the HR thinks, okay, this guy is ready to relocate. Are you getting it? So you can talk about all this, which really matters in the interview. Especially tell me about yourself. I hope I'm making things clear to you. Next question, which was asked to her. Now she had mentioned data structures in her resume. So they asked her, do you know what are the type of data structures? Now, whenever you answer questions, no, directly do not answer it. First make a frame in your mind. Okay. So if you ask me what are the type of data structures, I will first make a frame in my mind. Data structures, I'll talk about stacks, then I'll talk about queues, linked list, trees, graphs. Keep it in your mind, make a framework, and then shoot out point by point. Directly do not shoot, it will lead to confusion and your statements will not be structured. Clear, all of you? Okay. Uh, do you have any idea about stacks and queues? So do you know, you are from EC department, do you have idea about stacks and queues? Now my students know, we have trained them for 50 hours. Okay. And in that 30 hours on data structures. Okay. In and out about the program, we have explained, executed, given assessments and assignments. So they know how each and every program works in and out about the concept. And she was able to explain it immaculately. So she was able to explain. Then they asked her, can you write a code for linear search? Simple program. Can you write a code for binary search? Can you write a program to identify if a number is prime or not? Now, there are many ways to write, okay, but you have to focus on optimization of your code. Okay. How do I write it in the less number, in the least time? Okay. The number of lines should be less and execution time should be very high. That is more important. Can you write a program to count the string length or to find the string length without using string inbuilt function, that is the string length function? Okay. Can you write a program for factorial of a number? And any questions? Wasn't this a simple interview, technical interview, which was asked? Always remember, know about the subjects which you write in the resume. If you're writing data structures, know about it. Sir, but I do not know much about it. It is your job to sit and study about it. Is it clear? Within 2 days, you can easily prepare anything and everything. Right now, before the interview, do not know the concept. It is not your fault. But in the interview, if you still do not know the concept, it is your fault. Okay, so sit and study whatever you do not know, which you have reflected in your resume. Very important. Okay, and also know about your internships, know about your projects, especially in and out about your project. Okay, this is very important. Maximum companies, 80% of the companies will ask about your project, and same over here. They have asked her about the project. So I will share one more student's technical round. She had mentioned Python in her resume, and the questions which were asked to her: how to remove duplicates in a list of arrays without using library function. I repeat, how to remove duplicates in a list of arrays without using library functions, how to reverse a string that is given, how to declare arrays in Python, explain about looping structures in Python, which subject you like the most in engineering. Okay, this is quite an important question. Which subject you like the most in engineering? Always, always, and always, more than being honest, you can be honest, but always try to reflect whichever is the company interested in. Always try to reflect that. Okay. You might admire so many people, but when you're meeting one person, no, try to talk about qualities which that one person has or is looking for. Your chance of getting selected is more. I hope you understood what I'm indirectly trying to tell. Anyways, going ahead, uh, which languages do you know and what are the certifications that you have done? This question was asked in the technical round. Any other technical question asked? Yes, one more girls technical interview, introduction about yourself, internships that you have done, any course certifications that you have done, major project. Major project is the project which you do in your final year. Minor projects are the ones which you do in your pre-final year. So about your major project, get to know everything. Know everything about your major project. Give one sample program to write a code to find the leap year. Leap year, you should know how to write the code for that. Okay. If multiples of 4, it is a leap year, but multiple 100 and multiples of 100 is not a leap year except 400 and multiples of 400. Okay. So this is quite important. Searching techniques and differences in them, sorting techniques, what are the different types of sorting techniques, and write one code of sorting of your choice. What are arrays? What are the type of arrays? What are the type access specifiers in Java? What are trees and what are graphs? They didn't ask her to code. What are trees? Explain. And what are graphs? Always see through that. When you explain these concepts, no, you should be very, very clear in your explanation. When you talk once about it, they should be able to understand what you're trying to say. Okay. Now coming to the HR questions which were asked. My HR interview went on for 20 minutes, sir. These were the questions which were asked. Introduce about yourself. Explain about your project. Okay. In HR, they asked her about a project. Which IDE you used in your project? Do you know about the salary structure? Which programming languages do you know? Do you have a PAN card with you? If you do not have, you can get it. Okay. I feel that all the ones who are applying for these companies, no, please apply for PAN card and passport. So passport also, yes, do apply. Okay. You be positive, no. You never know, you might get direct on-site opportunities. You never know. So get a passport. How do you manage yourself in a team and what are your responsibilities? So in your project team, how do you manage and what are your responsibilities? Be very positive and talk positive about your project mates. I know it is difficult to talk positive about your project mates, but try to be as positive as possible, because if you let down your friend, if you tell your friend is, lazy, it means even you're lazy. Two things. Birds of the same feather flock together. She's lazy and she's my best friend. That is why I became a project mate. So we both are lazy. That is why we became best friends. And if I let go of my friend down in front of a third person, tomorrow I'll let go of my company also in front of a third person. They're checking, do I know what to talk, what not to talk in the interview? Very important. How quickly will you learn technologies? How quickly? Try to be practical here. Okay, how quickly do you learn technology, sir? It depends on if I knew the tech, if I know the technology before. If I know the technology before, and I would take these many days for sir to know about this technology. I took these many days. So this new technology also I will take approximately the same number of days. Don't directly say 1 month, 2 months, and all. No, you have to be realistic over here. Are you ready to relocate? Are you ready to relocate? If you ask me, whenever they ask me, tell me about yourself, I would definitely all the time say, sir, I like to explore places, which means what? I am ready to relocate. Any questions for the HR? Now ask quite a good quality of questions. Any questions? Don't ask the feedback about my interview. Don't ask how did my interview go. Don't ask what are the mistakes I made. Don't ask when will I get my results. Don't ask. Your job is to prove yourself. Your job is to see through it that you bring out the best in yourself. When you bring out the best in yourself, instead of you being desperate, let them be desperate to take you. Create that level of desperation in the HRs. Be that good. Prepare that well. Okay, so any questions? So what technologies can I learn right now which would help me grow? No. What technology should I learn right now, sir, which would help my company and me grow tomorrow? As a fresher, what are the key expectations a company has on a fresher? How can a fresher contribute in the best way to the company? All these are the questions which you can ask. Am I right? Okay. One more experience. What's your opinion about selection process of Mindtree? What's your opinion about selection process? You can't say no, sir. It's the worst process. You can't say that. Even if you find it worst, you can't tell it. Am I right? Okay, so you see what is the selection process, and you can tell, sir. I feel that if you ask me, how do you feel the selection process? First round, you're keeping on online, so you're testing my cognitive skills, and then you're keeping my technical, and then the HR, sir. I feel this is the best process ever because first you test my problem solving skills because many people do not have that. So first problem solving skills you're testing and you're selecting, and then you're having technical skills round, sir. You're testing a student's technical round, technical ability, and then you're checking a person's personality, sir. So I feel this is the best process. Next, about Mindtree. Now there are three levels of students. Okay, if you ask me, uh, what do you know about the company? If you're the HR, you ask me, what do you know about the company? Okay, three types of people are there. Type one people, all copy paste people. Sir, about Mindtree, sir, no. Mindtree last year and this year, it has grown a lot, sir. It is one of the best companies to work, sir. It is one of the fastest growing companies in India, top MNC in India. And it is very safe, sir, to work in Mindtree. This is what maximum people tell. Level one, I call them as. Level two, did some research. Some Mindtree, last year the revenue was this much, and this year the revenue is this much. The revenue is growing, the company is growing. So there is no issue about job security. Am I right? But you should again not talk about job security over here. You should only think about how can you contribute more to the company rather than thinking, am I secured in this job or not? Rather than that, how can I contribute more to the company? This is what you should think. So, anyways, coming back. So this was the revenue last year. This is the revenue this year, sir. It has grown more. The capital of the company is growing more. The company is blooming, and I would like to be a part of such company. These are the centers in India, and I'm ready to relocate in any of these centers, sir, and work in these places. Level two, level three people. When was Mindtree started? Which was the first domain they entered? Which year? What domain more they entered? What are they right now specialized at? In India, what are the operational centers? In India, who is the CEO of the company? Okay. And also, you can talk about what was the previous year's revenue, what is today's revenue, how is it growing, and what can you predict about the future? And also, you spoke to your friends, seniors, cousins about Mindtree, and you got a very good feedback about it. You should do your research. You should talk about Mindtree in such a way that you know more than the HR. The HR should be stupefied. With this guy knows more about Mindtree than me. Me being an employee, even I do not know so much. That much he knows about Mindtree. Are you getting it? The more you know, the it shows that you're more interested in the company. So always see through that you be level 3. Know everything about Mindtree. Clear, all of you? So next question which was asked. One second, I just lost that. Okay. How quickly are you ready to relocate? HR interview. About Mindtree. Do you have any backlogs? Extra skills that you have. So you can talk about the extra skills you have. Any extra skill. Now, if you tell, okay, okay, suppose I have no extra skill. Sir, I would like to keep my surroundings clean. Okay, so I'm quite neat and organized. I try to organize myself well, and I keep things around me neat and clean, sir. This is also a skill. Organizing is also a skill. Organizing ability is a factor of your leadership quality. Clear? All of you. So, smallest of the smallest thing, reflect it. Do you have a PAN card? Are you ready to? I don't know why they're asking. Do you have a PAN card? So, see through that you have PAN card with you. If not passport, at least PAN card. Next question. Self-introduction, any project that you've done, why you joined computer science. Okay, why have you joined computer science? You should know this. Now, many of the students, okay, this is majority problem of most of the students. You're from EC department, AAA department, MEC department, civil department. Why do you want to join this company? Very important. So you can say, sir, though I am now you're not letting go of the branch which you studied. Is it clear? So though I like, suppose I'm from electronics, sir, though I liked electronics department, but when I got exposed to coding, no, sir, yeah, my interest level for coding also increased. Though I like electronics, but I feel a bit more inclined towards programming because it has a lot of logics. It is quite interesting, and I'm starting to learn to code, and I'm starting to enjoy to code, sir. So I feel something which you like, if you do, it'll be better. Or instead of telling it'll be better, something you like which you do, I feel we will have more job satisfaction. That does not mean that I do not like electronics. Okay, never let go of your department. Never feel bad. One of my student, okay, he told, sir, I'm from civil department. Should I mention that I'm from civil department? Be very proud about your department. No matter you're from civil, mechanical, EC, triple E, any department, be very proud of it. Okay. If you're not proud about your department, how will you show that pride? Be proud. Not only about your department, even be proud of yourself. Next question. How you compare two companies if you have two offers in hand? Oh wow, what a question. Okay. Before that, do you know how many branches does Mindtree have? Any backlogs? How do you compare two companies if you have two offers in hand? If you have two offers in hand, how do you compare companies? Now, if this question was asked to me, how do I compare companies if I have two offers in hand? I would say that I would rather not compare. So whichever company gives me the first offer letter, no sir, I would go over that because that company trusts me a lot. I mean, that is the first company which gave me that honor, which gave me the respect, which was needed, and an opportunity. So whichever gives me first opportunity, I would choose that. This is what I would tell. But still, if you probe me more and more, how do you compare? I would say the learning environment in the company. I wouldn't say the package. I would say the learning environment. I would say how more do we get to explore technology? How can we learn more and help the company grow better? This is what I would tell. And what is the future with the company? How more can we learn? As I mentioned, how more can we learn? And there are a lot of things which you can talk about. Okay. So never talk about salary of the company, never talk about job security, never talk about number one, number two, the companies. Do not talk about that. Okay, that is that. Talk about how you can grow the company and how your personal growth happens, which technologies you can work on, how exciting is the job, how much more can I learn in the company. This is what you should be more interested in. And this is how you should judge which company you have to enter. Yeah. And the last, team player qualities. What are the team player qualities you have? You can talk. So my team player qualities, sir, I try to coordinate well. Anybody tells anything, and we try to agree upon it soon, and we see the best feasible solution. And I also try to keep things jovial around me. I try to keep people happy so that even if there is pressure, that is soaked. And yeah, there is a lot of things which you can talk about. Okay, so these are the type of questions which were asked in technical and HR. So I hope this video, whatever I've made, at least helps you get placed. If you get placed, I would be more than happy that you got placed. So with this, I wish you all the best for the interviews. Take good care of yourselves. Prepare as well as possible. Okay, so this is the time when you practice well and you earn the trophies. And you pick the trophies only after the HR round, but this is the time when you earn it. So work hard. Take care. All the best, people. Bye bye.